Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can install YouTube app on your PC or your laptop, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. I'll just guide you on the simple process you need to follow in order to do that. And to do that, we are going to be using our Chrome browser for all of these purposes. And you can just open your own. Once you open your Chrome browser, on the address bar type youtube.com and press enter. Once you type youtube.com and press your enter, all you just need to do is wait for it to load. Once it loads, the next thing you're going to do is that you come over to this right side where you can see this. You can see install YouTube. Click on it and it will be installed on your laptop or your Windows desktop. Alternatively, you can just simply click on these three dots by the right side, and from here you see where we have cast, save and share. From this very place, you just click on it and you come over to this area, click on install YouTube. Now the moment you click on it, you get this prompt that will ask you, do you wish to install YouTube app? Simply click on it and it will be installed on your Windows PC or your laptop. Now this is an evidence that this has actually been installed. You can see the app already on the taskbar of my laptop, and you can see I can actually minimize it. You can also come over to this desktop where we have the shortcut. Just simply right click on it. You can also pin it to the start menu. Okay, and so this is just a simple way you can install YouTube app on your Windows or your laptop PC. And so it allows for easier accessibility than having to go to your browser and type the YouTube app for it to load. You can just simply open the app direct on your laptop and use it. If you are new to this channel, the only way you can support me is by you subscribing to this channel, like my videos, and share it to others so that they can also watch my videos. Thank you and see you in my next video.